This is Bosch Dishwasher Diagnostic Mode Entry. 3 methods, error codes, and field tips. Method 1. The most common. Turn the unit off. Hold Start and Power Scrub plus simultaneously. If there's no Power Scrub button, use regular wash instead. While holding both, press the On/Off power button. Release all buttons when the display shows P0 or the panel lights flash. Method 2. For units without a Power Scrub button, hold speed 60 and rinse simultaneously. Then press On/Off. Release when P0 appears or lights flash. Method 3. For Ascenta and select models. Dishwasher on but not running. Press and hold Start for 3 to 5 seconds. Display changes to confirm entry. From the service menu, you can read stored fault codes from E01 to E99. Run individual component tests, and review the service history log. Error codes. E09 is a heating element fault. Test resistance. It should read around 30 ohms. E14 is a flow meter error. Check the water inlet valve and home supply pressure. E15 is water leak detected. The base pan float switch has tripped. The machine will not run until it's dry. Tilt it back 45 degrees to drain the base. Find the leak source. Dry the float switch area. Repair the leak cause. Then clear the code. If E15 keeps coming back, you have an active leak. Do not just clear and run. E22 is a blocked filter. Clean the micro filter and sump. E24 and E25 are drain pump issues. Check the pump cover for debris. To clear codes, hold Start for 3 to 5 seconds. Or cycle the breaker. Like and subscribe from Fix It Fast and Easy.